What the fudge? Hey neighbouring and welcome. This is Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. Yeah, really sorry about this. This is not going to be a tech tutorial, but I'm sure everyone needs to eat, and the meat is tender. And everyone wants to save some money on fuel, so I'm going to give you some tips and tricks how you can do this and also have some fun. So we're going to take a peek, and I think you want to come and see this, because this is the first time I'm doing this on this channel. Let's see. Ooh. This is my outside fire. Sometimes I do cook. Surprise! Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make biryani very quickly, but right now my fire is dead. I don't know if my camera person can catch that. We're going to try to revive it, hopefully. It is the 11th of August 2019, and we are celebrating Eid. So I'm cooking outside. Maybe you guys didn't know that I also cook sometimes every now and then. Not a chef, not even a student chef, nothing, just like cooking every now and then, and I haven't been doing for a while. But when I do, I like to cook the rustic style, you know, the outside stuff. And believe it or not, I've never been to a campsite yet, but I will plan to do this. We're going to talk about how to make a biryani very quickly, quick version. Now, I'm from Mauritius. We have our own version of biryani, which comes from India somewhere, don't know where exactly. So basically, we made it very simple today. You get some meat, marinate it overnight, whatever spice you want. So we put yogurt, salt, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, cloves, some herbs like coriander and mint. Normally you should fry your onions before, and then you get some nice crispy onions, make the dish a bit sweeter. But this is a quick version, which means, like you might have seen, I've just put some onions in the pan and just fried it a bit quick. Some wood, so we get a bit of, yeah, put it on there. Okay, enough. That's it. That's it. Stick the marinated meat in there. Oh yeah. And then chop some potatoes, put on top, mix the whole thing together. Pink salt. And obviously this is like a layered dish. Afterwards what we did was soak some rice, you know, basmati rice. Okay, rice. And then in the basmati rice also put some spice like some salt, the similar spice to what we put in the curry mix. And then we just kind of half cook it. And then, very important, biryani is not biryani without saffron, the most expensive spice in the world. And it also gives a nice color, excellent flavor, so we kind of put a bit in the meat. Mix some saffron in hot milk, stir it. And then put some on top of the half-cooked rice. Usually that's why you should also put some things like, you know, some fried onions, etc., or lemon. Some people will do whatever you want. We also put some ghee for more flavor, and that's about it really. That's kind of basic biryani. Put it on the fire. fire is dead. My fire is dead. Alright, let's hope we can get that fire back on, because I was eating inside and it kind of died. So I don't remember the technical terms for these. You build up a fire with smaller stuff and then to bigger. So these dry leaves will do fine to starters. Then maybe you get pencil size, you know, sticks, and then you move on to kind of arm length logs. So hopefully my fire will pick up again. We can put our wood and start burning some stuff. It's fine. What do you guys think? I think we should be good to go. Just this. Okay, looks like it's picking up. Bit extra, should be fine. There we go. And then we add the longer ones. Okay. Then we'll put our pot back on. There we go. I think we want to give a quick check, because can't control the fire a lot in this one, and sometimes it does get a little bit burnt at the bottom. So we're going to take a peek, and I think you want to come and see this, because this is the first time I'm doing this on this channel. Let's see. Ooh, I had to lift off the foil. Last time I cooked this, I didn't put foil. We were experimenting and it became a bit dry. Let's see. Oh, now the problem with layered food is you don't know whether the inside is going to be cooked or not. So what we're going to do is get a stick, like a chopstick, or even a big spoon, just to dig in and see whether the water is dried up. So we'll be back. Right, I've got a chopstick, so we're going to lift this up. Come along, I'll show you. And what you want to do is find some centers, maybe. Some centers is one center. Looks dry. Maybe on the side. It kind of looks dry. It smells like it's cooked. This is not an exact science. I think it should be fine. We're going to take it off. And that's the beauty about this type of cooking, layered cooking, which means all the meat at the bottom and the potatoes should have been cooked with the steam pressure coming from the rice. So we're going to take this off and hope for the best. Et voila. And my fire is dead anyway, so it is time, I'm guessing. You smell it? Okay, smells nice. Now with biryani, what you have to, because it's layered, you have to go and dish down, yeah? So you get some rice out of the way. Oh, maybe we could put it in there, but you serve down. And I don't think I've put enough rice this time, and the absence of the fried onions, I need to redo this, you know, with fried onions. Now we get to the potatoes and the meat. Hopefully it's cooked. There we go. There we go. There we go. This is a very quick version, guys. So if you look at the bottom there, we got a little bit of stuck to the bottom, which is actually, it's quite flavoursome. I like this. It's not burnt really. You know, it's hard to control the fire, so it's not too bad. Yeah. We have to do the long version next time, the proper biryani. This is just a quick version, guys. So we're gonna try this, hopefully. Right, moment of truth. We're gonna have some tasters. So come forward. I'm gonna show you what's on my plate. You typically, what you should do really is get some meat, some rice, some potatoes, some salad, some pickles. Could we have some chili, also some tomato chutney, but we haven't got it. So I like this part, you know, it's quite well cooked. So we'll have a taste. Let's see. Rice. Not bad for a quick version. Much better than last time. Last time I did not cover with foil, and the meat is tender. I just got some more flavor. Not bad at all. We need to do a better version, the long version, the better version, the authentic version next time. So stay tuned. And this fire that you saw was free because the bricks were free. The layered bottom rock platform was free, picked up from the streets, and all the wood that you see I usually pick up from the streets again for free. So this is free fuel, free barbecue, and sometimes I do barbecue as well. So if you guys want to see me do some barbecue, I'll give you some tips how to cook very rustic style, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry this is not my normal stuff that I do, but we might, you know, branch out soon in this. So hopefully you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much. And if you want me to help you go from newbie to techie, then you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, enable the bell notification icon, and everyone smash the like button for more videos to come. Until next time, peace out.